Let's solve word problems. Here are 5 little monkeys. One monkey leaves the group. How many monkeys are there now? There are now 4 monkeys. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Here are 4 monkeys. One monkey leaves the group. How many monkeys are left? There are now 3 monkeys. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Here are 3 monkeys. One monkey walks away. How many monkeys are left? 2 monkeys are left. 3 take away 1 is 2. Here are 2 monkeys. One monkey leaves. How many monkeys are left? 1 monkey is left. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here is the last monkey. He walks away. How many monkeys are left? There are 0 monkeys left. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.